Going to the pharmacy, asking for medicine in English. Hey everyone, welcome back to Easy English Talks. I'm Alex, and today we're taking a short trip to the pharmacy.
And I'm Mia. That's right. This episode is all about how to ask for medicine and talk to a pharmacist in English.
If you've ever had a cold while traveling or needed help with allergies, this is for you.
Let's make sure you can feel better and speak better at the same time.
Talking about symptoms. Mia, what's the most common reason you visit a pharmacy?
For cold and flu medicine, I always get a sore throat in winter.
Same here. So let's talk about how to describe your symptoms. I have a headache. My throat hurts. I have a blocked nose. I feel tired and weak. I'm sneezing a lot.
And you can say, do you have anything for a cold? Or can you recommend something for allergies?
Let's use those phrases in a real conversation. Role play at the pharmacy. Good afternoon. How can I help you today?
Hi, I have a sore throat and a runny nose. Do you have something for that?
Yes, we have throat lozenges and a cold syrup. Would you like tablets or liquid?
I'll take the syrup, please.
Okay, take 2 teaspoons 3 times a day after meals.
Got it. And do I need a prescription?
No, this is over the counter. Do you need anything else?
Yes. Do you have anything for dry eyes?
We do. Here's an eye drop that works well. Understanding instructions.
Okay, that was really useful. But sometimes the instructions are confusing.
Yes, let's go through some common things you'll hear. Take 1 tablet every 6 hours. With food or after meals, do not operate heavy machinery. Store in a cool, dry place. Shake well before use. For external use only.
And always ask if you're not sure.
Yes. Here are some questions you can ask the pharmacist. Are there any side effects? Can I take this with other medicine? Is it safe for children? Can I drive after taking this? Review and pronunciation. Let's review today's key phrases. Repeat with us. Do you have something for a headache? Take 2 tablets after meals. Can I get this without a prescription? Are there any side effects?
Let's say them slowly and clearly. Practice with us.
Take 2 tablets after meals.
Take 2 tablets after meals.
Can I get this without a prescription?
Can I get this without a prescription?
And that's a wrap for episode 10, Going to the Pharmacy in English.
Now you know how to describe your symptoms, ask for the right medicine, and understand instructions like a native speaker.
If this helped you, hit the like button and subscribe for weekly English practice.
And let us know in the comments, what's one English phrase you've used at the pharmacy?
Stay healthy, stay confident, and we'll see you next time on Easy English Talks.